Maths. Today's topic is distributive law of addition for rational number. Distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational number. Distribute. Okay. Distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational number, or simply we can say distributive law of multiplication over addition. When we are doing for addition, this is over addition. When we will do this one for subtraction, this is called for subtraction. Let A, B and C, three rational numbers you have. So, A within bracket, B plus C. A bracket means multiply, B plus C. Distributive law of multiplication. Here we are doing multiply over addition. Here we are doing addition. So, how we will do this one? First we will multiply this to this. A to B, here plus sign, plus into plus A into B, A, B. Don't write like that. We are not writing spelling. A separate, B separate. Okay, these are A and B are rational number. Here plus into plus sign, and A into C, C we will write. Okay, AC means A into C, AB means A into B. This one called distributive law of multiplication over addition for rational number. Let A equals to 1 by 2, A equals to minus 1 by 2, B equals to 1 by 3 and C equals to 2 by 5. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. We will check this one that's applicable for rational number or not. So first we will take left hand side. Right hand side wala right hand side, left hand side wala left hand side. A within bracket B plus C. So what is value of A? A is minus 1 by 2 bracket B 1 by 3 plus C 2 by 5. First we calculate this one. Minus 1 by 2 is it? 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are co-prime number. 3 5 is 15. When you have co-prime number, you can multiply. 1 already you have. 1 into 15 divided by 3. LCM divided by denominator. So what left? 5. We will write here. Plus 2. 2 already you have. Into sign. Multiply sign. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. So 3 you have. You will do like that. So now minus 1 upon 2 within bracket 15. 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 3 ja 6. Bracket close. Okay. Minus 1 by 2. And within bracket 5 plus 6, 11 upon 15. And we can write minus 1 upon 2 into 11 upon 15. Nothing being cancelled here. Minus into plus, minus 1 11 ja 11, 15 2 ja 30. That's for left hand side. Now we will check right hand side. Right hand side is AB plus AC. A into B plus A into C. You can simply write this one like that also. AB. AB means A into B plus AC means A into C. So value of A is minus 1 by 2 and B is 1 by 3 plus. Okay. Again A here. So within bracket we will write minus 1 by 2. When you have both sign plus and minus, positive, negative, so you will write within bracket into C. Value of C is 2 upon 5. Okay. So minus into plus, minus 1 into 1, 1 and 3 to just 6. If you are not able to cancel out, so then you will multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator and sign to sign. Plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 into 2 upon 5. Okay, we can cancel this to this. So what we have, minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 5. Both are negative. We will take LCM. 6 and 5 both are co-prime numbers. 6 5 are 30. So LCM will be multiple of these two. Minus 1 already you have into 30 divided by 6. 5 here. Minus 1 already you have 30 divided by 5. This 30 divided by 6 is 6 5 here. So we will write 5 here. 30 divided by 5. So how much? 6 we will write here. Here plus, minus into plus, minus 5 1 is 5. Minus into plus, minus 6 1 is 6 upon 30. Okay. Now LCM 30. Same sign, minus 5, minus 6. Same sign, you know, same sign added. Sign of minus. Sign तो माइनस ही रहेगा लेकिन नंबर ऐड हो जाएंगे. So 6 and 5, 11. You are looking minus 11 upon 30 and here also minus 11 upon 30. This one called, so we can say A within bracket B plus C equals to AB plus AC. That's called distributive law of multiplication over addition. Okay, same rule. If you will change here we will put minus sign. So here also minus sign, here also minus sign. Then distributivity of multiplication over addition. In place of addition there will be subtraction for rational number. And this law will be like that. Subtraction for rational number. And this one being like that. A within bracket B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. बीच में माइनस साइन है तो यहाँ माइनस आ जाएगा. जब यहाँ पे प्लस होगा तो यहाँ पे प्लस साइन आ जाएगा. That is distributivity of rational of multiplication. Here we are doing multiplication over subtraction for rational number. Let's check this one for subtraction. Suppose A, B and C are three rational numbers. So A outside, B minus C within bracket. So how you will do this one? A into B, plus into plus, plus, A into B, AB. Here plus, here minus, plus into minus, minus, A into C, AC. So then you will get this one. That's called distributive law of multiplication over subtraction for rational number. Okay. Same value I am taking for this also. First I am taking left hand side. Okay. Left hand side is A, B minus C. A is minus 15. 1 you have 1 into 15 divided by 3. So you will get 5. You will multiply with 1. Minus sign is it? 2 you have into 15 divided by 5. So 3 here. Now here minus 1 by 2 within bracket 5. 5 into 5 and minus into plus minus 2 into 3 6 upon 15. Okay. Then equal minus 1 by 2 as it. And here look. 5 minus 6. 5 is smaller, 6 is greater. You know here plus sign, here minus sign. So you can do subtraction easily. 6 minus 5, you know 1. 6 minus 5, 1 sign of greater number. Greater number 6 है तो इसका sign आएगा minus. And here upon 15 within bracket you will write like that. Now no sign it means bracket and no sign it means multiply here. You have to do multiply. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1 1. And 2 into 15 30. So that's your left hand side. Now check for right hand side. Right hand side. What in right hand side? AB minus AC. AB means A into B, AC means A into C. Putting value, A is minus 1 upon 2 and B is 1 by 3. Again minus. This is minus and A also minus. So we will put bracket minus 1 upon 2 into C. 2 upon 5. Okay. Now minus into plus minus 1 and 1 and 3 to just 6. Okay. Look here. Minus into plus. It will be minus and minus into minus plus. So 1 to just 2 upon 5 to just wait. We can cancel here, so no need to multiply. First we will multiply sign to sign. Minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus. So 1 by 2 into 2 upon 5. Okay. This 2 cancel out with this one. So what left? Minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 5. Again we will take LCM. 6 and 5 are co-prime number. So you will multiply both. 6 5 are 30. Already you have minus 1 in numerator into 30 divided by 6. Whatever you will get, multiply with same numerator. So 5 here plus 1 you have, this one you have into 30 divided by 5. डिनोमिनेटर से एलसीएम को डिवाइड करना है, क्वेश्चन को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So you will get 6, 5 6 are 30, 6 and here 30 as it. Minus into plus, no sign plus. Plus into minus, minus. 5 and 5. Plus into plus, plus. 6 and 6. So 1 negative, 1 positive. So different sign subtracted. So 6 minus 5. How much? 1 upon 30. Here you are getting 1 upon 30. And in this place also you are getting 1 upon 30. So both are equal. So we can say that distributive law of multiplication applicable for addition and subtraction of rational number. Okay, when distributive law of multiplication over addition, you will write like that. मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर एडिशन यहाँ पे प्लस होगा, देन a इंटू बी माइनस, सॉरी हियर प्लस है तो यहाँ पे भी प्लस आएगा एंड c हो जाएगा. दिस टू दिस यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, देन दिस टू दिस, पहले इससे इसको करेंगे फिर इससे इसको करेंगे, so you will get like that. And for subtraction b minus c, यहाँ माइनस साइन आ जाएगा, you will multiply this to this a b, एंड बीच में माइनस साइन है तो यहाँ पे भी माइनस आएगा, a इंटू सी ए सी. दिस वन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन, यहाँ पे एडिशन हो रहा था फॉर एडिशन, हियर सब्ट्रैक्शन, सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर subtraction. So that's your distributive law. Revise this one.